Important terms. A file in MS Excel is called a workbook. A page in MS Excel known as a worksheet. Name of the cell or cell reference is called a cell address. B4 is the cell address given here. Intersections of a row and a column is called a cell. Do you know how many cells and columns are there in a one sheet? There are 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns, and that the last column is XFD. A selected cell is called the active cell. According to the example given here, B4 is the active cell. Cell pointer. The plus sign of the mouse pointer is called cell pointer. Name box. It displays the cell address of the active cell. Cell range. A collection of continuous cells selected is called cell range. You can also select multiple cells at the same time. So that group of cells known as a cell range. Rather than a single cell address, you will refer to a cell range using the cell addresses of the first and last cells in the cell range separated by a colon. Last one is formula bar. It displays the formula or the data of an active cell. Let me wind up for today. See you with another lesson.